Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday morning here in Cape Town and a little bit cooler today than it has been this week, so that's a bit of a relief. Had a little bit of an issue this week when I was trying to resin one of my pictures. I knew that the picture had silicone in, and I thought that by giving it a wipe down with some soapy water it would get the silicone out, but obviously it didn't, because when I resined it, the little silicone marks sort of stopped the resin from covering the picture fully, so that was a bit of a fail. But I guess you live and learn, and if anyone has any good tips about how to get rid of the silicone once your painting's dry, please drop me a comment or send me a message, because I don't want to make that mistake again. And most of my pictures have silicone in them, so if I want to resin them I need to sort out that issue. So your help would be much appreciated in that manner. So today I had such a good pour 2 pours ago when I did the flip cups. Then I'm going to do it again today. So we're going to be doing a triple flip cup on this canvas, and the colors I'm using today are a cerulean blue, which is a new paint color that I've got. We've got a nice metallic bronze, a nice lime green, then white, black, and some gold. So it's an interesting color combination. 2 metallics, which is nice. I haven't used metallics for a while. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer them up in 3 cups, and we're going to do 3 flip cups on the canvas. So I'm going to get to the layering now, and I'll cut back to you once I'm done. Right, there we go guys. We've got the cups nicely layered up. I've done repeated the pattern twice in each cup. Both cups, all cups are identical, so hopefully it will give a good effect. I've also put a few drops of silicone into each paint, so we should get some nice cells as well. So last time I had some difficulty with flipping it, so let me just try this time not to make too much of a mess. There we go, that's better. Go for the second one. Much better. I think I was going down at too much of an angle last time. There we go. Very little spillage. So I'll let those sit for a little bit just for the paints to get into position, and then we're going to give it a little flip and drag as we did last time, and hopefully the color combinations work out well this time. I didn't drag them particularly well last time, so I'm going to try and do it a little better this time, so we get a full coverage of the canvas. Right, let's see how this works. Already got lots of cells coming through. So let me just tilt it, and then we'll give it a full flame. See what happens with those cells. Oh, look at that. Just pulled the finger off the end of my glove. So yeah, today's going great. Right, let's see if we can do this without getting paint all over myself. Right guys, there we go. It's actually looking a little bit lumpy because for some reason the bronze that I use doesn't really mix very well with the with my pouring mix. So there are going to be a few lumps in here. Gone quite a lot of grey, which I don't love, but the blues and the lime green I think look great. Right, there we go guys, some spectacular cell action. So I guess I've got the consistency of the paints right this time. I do normally measure them all, but you know, sometimes the cells don't come out. But yeah, I love it. I love this section here with the bronze and the blue. Looks really nice together. I'm just going to fix up the edges quickly. Right guys, there we go. As you can see, we are getting a hell of a lot of cell action this time. I'm not really sure why that is. Just going to give it one more flame, make sure all the bubbles are popped and that all the cells are developed. I'm just going to do it from a high height so we don't get too many caterpillars, although I do love that caterpillar look, so I don't really mind if we do get some of them. But I think once this dries and the metallics come to the top, it's going to look fantastic. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. One of my nicer ones that I've done for a while, that's for sure. And I certainly like the method that Julie uses from pouring your heart out, with using a lot of extra, well, maybe more paint than you normally would. I used to do 2 cups of paint per canvas, but I now do 3, and I think maybe that's the reason why there are more cells now, that with the 2 cups, once you tilt it, the paint tends to thin out and you don't have the layers for the cells to develop. But obviously with the 3 cups, there's that sort of extra layer for the cells to come up, and yeah, I think it's worked really well. So guys, that's it for today and this week. Hope you've had a good week yourself. I will be back later, well, early next week probably, to do some more pours. Still haven't sold a painting. I've had quite a few inquiries from my Facebook ads, but no one's really committed yet. So yeah, until I start selling them, this hobby is costing me cash. But hey, what can you do? When you love doing something, cost is not an issue. So guys, to help me out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I think we've just passed 250 subscribers, so it's going up really nicely. As I said, next target is 300, yeah, let's hope we get there nice and soon. So that's it guys, I'm going to cut to the close-up now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Cheers.